Everything flows out and in. Everything has tides. Life moves in cycles, like the seasons. There is rise and fall, creation and destruction. Expansion and contraction are always present. The principle of rhythm governs these cycles. It states that everything vibrates and moves. These movements create natural rhythms. Think of the swing of a pendulum. It swings to the right, then to the left. Life's experiences follow a similar pattern. We have ups and downs, joys and sorrows. Understanding rhythm helps us find balance. Instead of being ruled by these swings, we can learn to navigate them gracefully. Imagine a surfer riding a wave. They don't fight the wave, but use its energy. Similarly, we can use life's rhythms. We can anticipate changes and adapt to them. This understanding brings inner peace. It allows us to accept the natural flow. We learn that every high has a low, and every low is followed by a high. By recognizing these patterns, we can manage our emotions better. We avoid getting too carried away by joy, and we don't get too discouraged by sadness. The principle of rhythm teaches resilience. It shows us that change is constant, and that we can find stability within it. So, embrace the rhythms of life. Learn from the ebb and flow. Find your balance within the cycles. Understand the principle of rhythm, and you will navigate life with grace. You will find harmony and inner peace. Everything has tides. Learn to ride them.